Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about my new phone because I got a new phone. So this is more like a vlog today. But I recently switched to the Google Pixel 9. It's not the Pro because the 9 was cheap. I was like, if I hate it to the bone, I'll just give it to my boyfriend or something and, like, you know, go back to iPhone. Because I have an iPhone, had an iPhone 13 Pro. And right off the bat, I will say when I bought this phone, I had so much anxiety. I don't know why. Like, I literally felt depressed for the first 2 hours. I was like, do I regret this? And like, I kind of felt isolated from everybody because I didn't have the blue bubbles. I know, it's so dumb. Maybe it's my like anxiety or like my ADHD, but I'm like, oh, I'm not a real person. Like I don't know, I just felt more connection when it's like, oh, I can see people like typing in bubbles and reading and interacting, you know, through iPhone or whatever. And Mochi, no! Bad kitty. She tried to drink paint water. But yeah, I had so much anxiety and I was nervous, and right off the bat I was like, damn, I don't even want to learn how to use it. Like, it sounded so complicated or whatever. And then you know, the more I started using it, I kind of got accustomed to it a bit more. I will say, I really love how easy it is to customize a phone, because right now I have like a pink, you'll see, like I have a pink screen, like I have everything sideways, and then the apps were easy to switch over to a pink cover over iPhone because you have to do shortcuts, and I hated that. My phone never looked nice. Yeah, I love how easy it is to customize. However, like, I love how Apple was more user friendly. Like, they made everything so accessible. Like, if you want to take off Bluetooth, you just hit one button. Meanwhile, in the Android, like, I have to tap in and then like switch the, like, tap on the little toggle. But I mean, there's a lot of things I don't like about it, but I'll get used to. It's like not that big of a deal. It actually reminds me to slow down in life. But I don't like how Google Photos is the only gallery app it has. I miss a lot of the iPhone things, like Find My iPhone or Share Location, group chats. Like, they just, I mean, for the most part, Android can kind of cohabit with Apple now because the green messages and whatnot, like, you can kind of see sometimes when they interact. You can send voicemails. Like, everything's pretty functional, but I don't know. It feels more disconnected because a lot of people have iPhones and I have like an Android now. But functionality wise, like if I'm going on YouTube, Instagram, whatever, it's fine. I did hear that iPhones do pay for more, like for better function in apps. Like, whenever I do use Instagram camera on my phone, I do see it slow down. It's weird, like the apps kind of slow down when it's like posting wise, and I don't like that. I actually really hate it, but I don't know, we'll see if it's something that gets too annoying because I do use social media. I love posting all the time. Like, I post so much on Instagram, so I don't know if that's gonna be an issue, but so far it's been good. I can use it fine. The apps work fine. My battery is lasting well because obviously my iPhone was old, and I just wanted to try something new and feel a bit disconnected from using technology so often. And I'm like, maybe if I have a phone that I'm kind of opposed to having, I won't use it as much, and that's my reasoning. But even then, like, I still use it. Like, she's pretty functional. I love like the front. Whenever I put anything on the front of it, it shows, like if I'm playing a video on YouTube and I have YouTube Premium, like it will pink out. So yeah, that's pretty much, like, it's literally like iPhone. Like the layout to it, the build is kind of giving iPhone. Obviously the camera's a bit different, but like the layout, the camera is okay. Like, I don't have a problem with it. I am used to the iPhone camera. I do know that these cameras do look different. I'm not used to it. but to be fair, when I see people who have Androids post, I don't really notice a difference. So I know I'm just thinking about, oh, it's the Android, so I hate it. So that's just me being overly judgy. But other than that, I think it's a good phone. I like it. I wish I could transfer my old stuff from my iPhone, but I mean, hey, what can we do? It's not too bad. I'm being accustomed to it. This is like day one, and that's like all the things I hate. Obviously, I didn't give it time yet, which is why like I'm being kind of fair about it. But even then, I don't hate it. I just don't love it, you know, like it's functional and that's it. But I'm not really like, oh, this has to be perfect. So yeah, I like trying new things, so that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I love it so far.